Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. After a long gap, today we will go through a Pitru Devata Stuti from Garuda Puranam with usual broken English explanation. So this Stuti is done by one Ruchi Prajapati, comes in Garuda Mahapuranam. So being Adhika Masa's Amavasya, on each Amavasya we need to remember our Pitru Devatas. So lot of knowledge about the Pitru Devatas is incorporated within this stotra. So we'll go straight into the stotra. Namasyeham Pitrun Bhaktya Evasantyadhidaivatam Daivairapihi Tarpyante Ye Sraddheyu Swadhottarai. So Sraddha is something which is performed with Sraddha. So first verse is talking about Vasanti Adhidaivatam. So the Pitru Devatas of Devatas. Daivairapihi Tarpyante. Even the Daivas are doing the Tarpanas to them. Tarpyante. Ye Sraddheyu Swadha Uttarai. Swadha. Swadha, Swaha are the two wives of fire god. So Swaha is used for sacrifice or the ahutis to gods, and Swadha is used for Pitru Devatas. Namasyeham Pitrun Swarge ye Tarpyante Maharshibhihi Sraddhair Manomayair Bhaktya Bhukti Muktim Abhipsubhihi. So the second layer is with the Pitrun Swarge ye Tarpyante Maharshibhihi. So Maharshis are doing the Tarpanas to Swarga in the Swarga. So Manomayair Sraddhair Manomayair of mind-filled Sraddha. Sraddhair Manomayair Bhaktya Bhukti Muktim Abhipsubhi. Namasyeham Pitrun Sarge Siddhas Santarpayantiyan Sraddheshu Divyai Sakalair Upaharair Anuttamaihi. Then Sargas, different layers of existence. We can see one layer of existence of Bhuloka, what we are seeing here, with 5 senses. So there are other layers of existence. Sarge Siddha Santarpayantiyan Sraddheshu Divyai Sakalai Ruparaharai Anattamai. So divine beyond these 5 sense based organs, 5 senses, in those realms of existence, Sarge Siddha Santarpayantiyan. Namasyeham Pitrun Bhaktya Yorchantye Guhyakair Divi Tanmayatmena Vanchadbhihi Yuddhim Atyantikim Param. So the next layer of Pitrus, Sarge Siddha, after Sargas, Yo Archantye Guhyakair Divihi. The Guhyaka means hidden in the Antariksha, in between the Sargas and the earth. Earthly existence, we can say. Guhyake Tanmayatvena Vanchadbhi Yadhim Atyantikim Param. Namasyeham Pitrun Martyair Archante Bhuviye Sada. So all the Martyas, human beings, Archante Bhuviye Sada in this earth. Sraddheyu Sraddhayabhishta Loke Pushti Pradayanaha. So those Pitras are doing Loka Pushti Pradayanaha. They are giving the nourishment to this Loka. Pushti Pradayanaha. Namasyeham Pitrum Yevai Tarpyante Aranyavasibhihi Vanyaihi Sraddhair Yataharai Tapo Nirdhuta Kalmashaihi. Then the next layer is those who are Pitrus who are based out of Aranyas. Those who are in the Aranyavasibhihi, they are always Yata Pitrun ye Tarpyanti Aranyavasibhihi. So they are yatahara, so they are controlled senses, so they come in the next layer. Namasyaham pitrun viprair naistikair dharmacharibhihi ye samyatam atmabhir nityam santarpantye samadhibhihi. Then comes to vipras, those knowledgeable people who are samyata atmabhir nityam, always striving to be perfect. Santarpyante samadhibhihi, in the samadhi. Then namasyeham pitrun sraddhai rajanyas tarchayantiyan kavyai rasheshair divyai vividha lokadvaya phalapradam. So then the leaders, kings, rajas of the pitrus, namasyeham pitrun vaisyairachyante bhuvye sada swakarmabhi ratai nityam pushpa dhupanna varibhihi. Then comes the vaisyas, who are in always swakarmabhihi, they are interested in performing their own duties towards this world. For them, pushpa dhupanna varibhihi, with the flowers, with the dhupas, annavaribhihi, with the food, tarpyante. So we are doing the sraddham for them. Namasyeham pitrum sraddhai sudrairapicha bhaktitaha santarpyante jagatkrutznam namnakhyata sukalinaha. Then Shudras. There are Pitrus who may be in Shudra also. For them, we will give the Tarpyante. Namasyeham Pitrum Sraddhe Patale ye Mahasuraihi Santarpyante Sudhaharas Tyakta Darpamadai Sadaha. So all the higher layers and earth are dealt. After that, Pitrus can be there in the Patale ye Mahasurai, in the Patala also. Santarpyante Sudhahara Tyakta Darpa Madai Sadaha. Those who have gone to the Patala, Tyakta Darpa Madai, the Darpa and Mada, these two qualities are given up. Such Pitrus, we are Santarpyante. Santarpyante Sudhahara. Namasyeham Pitrum Sardhai Archante ye Rasatale. Bhogair aseshair vividha one nagai kaman abhipsubhihi. So in the Rasatala, the Nagas, Nagajati, those Pitrus santarpyante. Namasyeham Pitrun sraddhai sarpaihi santarpitan sada tatraiva vidhvan mahabhoga samvatsara samanvitaihi. So the Pitrus who are there in the Sarpa Jati, for them also we do the tarpana. So layers starting from Adhidaiva to all the way to Patala, Rasatala and Sarpaloka. Pitrun namasye nivasanti sakshat ye devaloke atha mahataleva tadhantarikshe cha surari pujas tevai pratichattu mayopatitham. So we call out all the devas all the way in any devaloke atha Mahataleva, or the deepest of Mahatala or the highest of Devaloka. Tadha antarikshecha, somewhere in between. Antarikshecha mayopadhitam. Pitrun namasye paramadha bhuta yedai vimana nivasantyamurtaha yajanti yanam tamalair manobhihir yogishwarah klesha vimukti hetun. So for the yogishwaraha, Pitruna paramartha bhuta, so Pitrus are the paramartha bhutas. They can lead us to the highest goal, paramartha bhutas. So such Pitrus au sankalpise epsitanam vimuktida yebhin abhisamhite. Pitrun namasye divyecha murtaha, those in the divi with murtaha, with forms. You can see such Pitrus, different forms like sun, moon, all these. They also have Pitrus, or they also have a lineage. So Sakalepsitanam Vimuktidayebhina Samhite. Truptyanta Tesmin Pitaraha Samastaha Ichavatam Ye Pradisanti Kaman Suratvam Indratvam Itodhikam Va Gajaswaratnani Mahagruhani. So they can actually grant anything, right from Indratvam, the Lord of Gods, to any role, anything can be given by the Pitru Devatas. Somasya ye rasmishu yorkabimbe suklau vimane cha sadavadanti truptyastu tesmin pitaron natoyeir gandhadiva pushtimato vrajantu yesham hutagne havishacha suptir ye bhujante vipra sarira samsthaha ye pindadanena mudam prayanti truptyantu tesmin pitaror natoyeihi ye khadgamam seva सुरैरभीष्टः कृष्णै स्थिलैर्दिव्य मनोहरैश्च कालेन शाकेन महर्षिवर्यैः सम्प्रीणतास्ते मुदमत्रयास्तु कन्यान्यशेषानि च यान्यभीष्टान्यतीव तेषां मम पूजितानां तेषां च सान्निध्यमिहास्तु पुष्पगन्धाम्बुभोज्येषु मया कृतेषु दिने दिने ये प्रतिगृह्णान्त यच्चां मासान्तपूज्या भुवि So at the end of the month, today is the end of the month, Amavasya. So every day you can be doing the puja of Pitrus, and also on the month end. Dine dine ye pratigruhnanti yecham masanta pujya bhuvyeshtakasu ye vatsarante bhyute cha pujiyaha priyantu te me pitarotra tushtim. So the Pitras will get tushti or the happiness by remembering them in the end of the month, end of the year, or all these important days. Pujya dvijanam kumudendu bhaso ye kshatriyanam jvalanarkavarna. So for the kumuda indu bhaso, dvijas should be done with kumudendu bhaso, kshatriyanam jalanarkavarna, the red color flowers, tatha visamye kanakavadata neelaprabha sudrajanasya yecha. Different colored flowers are used in this kind of different things. Tesmin samasta mama pushpagandha dupambhudi भोज्यादि निवेदनेन तथाग्निहोमेन प्रियांचि तृप्तिं सदा पितृभ्यः प्रणतोऽस्मि तेभ्यः ये देव पूर्वाण्यभितृप्तिहेतोरश्नन्ति कव्यानि शुभाकृतानि तृप्ताश्च ये भूतिसृजो भवन्ति तृप्यन्तु तेऽस्मिन् प्रणतोऽस्मि तेभ्यः रक्षांसि भूतान्यसुरान् तथोग्रान् निर्नाशयस्तु त्वविशं प्रजानाम् आद्या सुराणाम अमरेश पूज्या तृप्तन्तु तेस्मिन् प्रणतोस्मि तेभ्यः. This is another very important thing we need to know. So Pitrus are there for every group of people in any layer of existence. Rakshansi, for the Rakshasas, demons also, Bhutan, Suran, Tathogran, everybody are Devan. Suranam Amaresha Pujan. So our Devas are also doing Pitru Puja, Amareshas also doing Pitru Puja. For them, Pranatosmi Tebhyaha. For all those Pitrus, we bow down. Then goes to different groups of Pitruganas. There are several Pitruganas are there. Without this being revealed through this kind of work, we cannot imagine all these things. That is the important thing here. A lot of interesting knowledge here. Agnishvatva barhishadha ajjapa somapastadha vrajantu truptim sradhen pitaras tarpita maya. So there are four groups known as Agnishvatva, Barhishada, Ajjapa and Somapa. Agnishvatva Pitrugana Prachim Rakshatu Medisam. So they are in the east, they are established Agnishvatvas. Let them protect us from east side. Prachim Rakshatu Medisam. Tadha Barhishadha Pantu Yam Yam Me Pitaras Sada Pratichi Yajapanta Ajyapantat Udichipi Pya Somapaha. So in the Dakshina Dik, the Barhishadaha, then Ajyapa and Somapa in the west and north. Raksho Bhota Pisachebhyas Tathaivar Asuradoshataha Sarvatha Pitaro Raksham Kurvantum Amanityasataha. So we are requesting these Pitras to save or protect us from all the four directions. Vishwo Vishwabhugaradhyo Dharmo Dhanya Subhananaha Bhutido Bhutikrat Bhuti Pitrunam Ye Gananava. There are 9 ganas have been said. Vishwo Vishwabhugaradhyo Dharmo Dhanya Subhananaha Bhutido Bhutikrat Bhuti Pitrunam Ye Ganan Nava. This is 9 ganas of Pitrus. First 9 ganas. Kalyana Kalyada Karta Kalya Kalyataraasrayah Kalyata Heturanagha Shadime Te Ganas Smritaha. There is another 6 Ganas. They are known as Kalyana Kalyada Karta Kalya Kalyatarasrayah Kalyata Heturanagha. Varo Varenyo Varadas Tushtida Pushtidastadha Vishwapata Tadha Dhata Saptete Cha Ganas Smritaha. There are another 7 Ganas which are there again. They are known as Varo Varenyo Varadas Tushtida Pushtidastadha Vishwapata Tadha Dhata Saptaite Cha Ganas Smrita. These are all names. So there is no meaning can be given. If we have to give this meaning, this will go on with a lot of explanation what each thing means. Then Vishwapata Tadha Dhata Saptechet Gana Smritaha. Mahan Mahatma Mahito Mahima Mahiman Mahavan Mahabalaha Gana Panchatadhevete Pitrunam Papanasanaha. So there are 5 again, another 5 ganas have been enumerated. Sukhado Dhanadaschanye Dharmadonyascha Bhutidaha Pitrunam Kathyate Chaiva Tatha Gana Chatushtayam. There are another 4 ganas. Ekatrimsati Pitruganaha. So 31 total Pitruganas have been identified. Yer Vyaptam Akhilam Jagat. They are Vyaptam Akhilam Jagat. They are this whole layers of existence filled by them. Akhilam Jagat. Tayevatra Pitruganas Tushyantu Cha Maha Mudahitat. So all these 31 Pitruganas be happy with my Shraddha, my Shraddham, or whatever the stotram we are being done. Ruchi is saying this. In the Markandeya Maharshi comes here and says Markandeya Uvacha. Evantu stutavastasya tejaso rasi ruchritaha ruchi prajapati tirtha pradurbhuva sahasa gaganavyaptikarakaha. Those who are expanding the gaganavyaptikarakaha, those pitruganas, tad drushtva sumahatteja samachadya stitam jagat janubhyam avanim gatva ruchi stotramidam jagau. So having said Ruchi did this tapas or whatever the first part of all this knowledge, putting together, doing the Shraddha with lot of faith, all of them appeared there. That is what Markandeya is saying this, that they have all appeared there. Then Ruchi gone on his knees down and started saying again, Ovacha. This is the actual stotram. Architanam Amurtanam Pitrunam Deepta Chedasam. Those who have Amurtanam, Murti, there is no Murti, there is no form. Without form, Deepta Chedasam, they are only light form. They are only having light, brightness, radiance. Deepta Tejasam. Namasyami Sada Tesham Dhyaninam Divya Chakshusham. They are Dhyanis, they are always in the Dhyana. They are having Divya Chakshus, means they can see across. Means divine Chakshu is eye, a ability to see. Divya Chakshusham. Indradinam Chanetaro Daksha Marichayostataha. Even Indradi, Lord of Gods, Netaro Daksha Marichayostataha. Saptarshinam Tadhanyesham Tannamasyami Kamadan. So all these Saptarshis, all these fall into these Pitruganas. So along with Pitruganas, all these people, I am doing the Namaskara, Tarpana. Saptarshinam Tadhanyesham Tan Namasyami Kamadan. Manvadinancha Netaraha Surya Chandra Masostadha. Manus and Surya Chandras. Tan Namasyamyaham Sarvan Pitrun Apyudhathamasi. Pitrun Apyudhathamasi. Thavapi. Nakshatranam Grahanancha Vayur Agnor Nabhastadha. So nakshatras, stars, grahanam are the planets. Vayu, Agni, Nabhastadha. So all the bhutas. Dhyava Prudhivyoscha Tadha Namasyami Krutanjalihi Prajapatehe Kasyapaya. So Kashyapa Prajapati has been also, because he is the father of everybody, Kasyapaya, Somaya, Varunaya cha. Yogeshwarebhyas sada namasyami krutanjalihi namo ganebhyah saptabhyas tadha lokeshu saptashuhu. So 7 ganas, 7 lokas, bhuloka, bhurloka, suvarloka, mahaloka, janaloka, tapoloka, swargalokas on the top, again atala, vitala, sutala, talatala, rasatala, mahatala, patalas down. So sapta lokas, if you count up 7, down 7. So sapta lokas tadha lokeshu saptashu swayambhuve namasyami brahmane yoga sikshuse. Swayambhuva Manu is the first Manu. Swayambhuve namasyami brahmane yoga chakshuse. Somadharan pitruganan yogi murti dharams tadha namasyami tadha somam pitaram jagatamaham. Somadharan. So Pitrus are all based on the Soma Adhara. Soma means not moon, the sap, the life force which encapsulates or what brings the life force into a packet envelope is Soma. Somadharan Pitruganan Yogi Murti Dharam Stada Namasyami Sada Somam Pitaram Jagatamaham. So Somam, we can take it as moon for now. Pitarantha. Then Namasyami Tadha Agni Rupam Tadhaivanyan Namasyami Pitru Namham. There are other Pitrus who are in the form of fire. There are Pitrus form of water. Water are the flow life force. There are Pitrus who are Agni Somara Agni Rupan Tadhaivanyan Namasyami Pitru Naham Agni Shoma Mayam Viswam Yata Yeta Daseshataha. So all this Vishwam is only nothing but Agni and Soma, means fire and water. Agni Soma Midam Vishwam Yata Yeta Daseshataha. Without any Visesha, without anything left, everything is either energy and water or life force. Yecha Tejasi Ye Chaite Soma Suryagni Murtayaha. So the same thing, Soma Surya Agni. So Soma is moon, Surya is sun, Agni is fire. So Agni is combination of Soma and Surya. Murtayaha, these three are the murtis, or they are the forms, are the basis of all the forms. The light. Light only makes us see all the forms. So Soma Surnargi Murtyaha, Jagat Swarupinischa Tatha Brahma Swarupinaha. They are all the form of Jagat and also they are the Brahma. They are also supreme reality. Both, all the three, like fire also can be considered as Brahma, sun also considered as Brahma, moon also can be considered as Brahma. Murtayaha Jagat Swarupinasta Tadha Brahma Swarupinaha Tebhyo Akilebhyo Yogibhya Pitrubhyo Yatanasaha Namo Namo Namastestu Prasidastu Swadha Bhujaha. By the name of Swadha, when we put some sacrifice into this, Namo Namo Namastestu. Again, Namo Namo Namaste. 3 times Namas. All the 3 layers of Namas. Prasidastu Swadha Bhujaha. Let them be pleased with this Swadha, this Shraddha, which has been given to them. Markandeya Vacha. Again, Markandeya interjecting into this. Evam stutas tatastena, evam stutaha tataha tena, tejaso munisattamaha, nischakramuste pitaro bhasayanto dishodasaha. The Pitaras who are making all the 10 directions bright, Nischakramuste Pitaraha, Nivedananchayatte sa Pushpa Gandhanulepanam. So they have actually taken the Pushpa Gandha Anulepanam, whatever has been given, offered to them. Tad Bhushitan Adhasattan Drusyate Protasthitan, having adorning that all that what has been offered to them. Pranipatya Ruchir Bhaktya Punareva Krutanjalihi. Ruchi has again done the Pranipata to them. Pranipata is completely falling down, all the Sashtanga Namaskara. Pranipatya Ruchi Prajapati has Pranipatya Ruchir Bhaktya Punareva Krutanjalihi Namastubhyam Namastubhyam Ityaha Prathagadrutaha. Again he said Namastubhyam Namastubhyam, I bow down to you, I would bow down to you again and again. Stotrenanecha Naro Yosmam Stoshyati Bhaktitaha. Any person who reads this stotra or Stoshyati Bhaktitaha with bhakti, who reads this thing, Tasya Tushthavayam Bhoganatmajam Dhyanamuttamam. So Pitrus have declared, now this stotra, this whole event which has happened in the Garuda Purana, which is where Ruchi Prajapati performing the Shraddha, then doing this stotra, Tasya Tushthavayam, by just reading this, we will be pleased. Tushthavayam Bhogan Atmajam Dhyanamuttamam. So just to do the Dhyanam, Atmajam Dhyanam Uttamam, that itself is sufficient. No materialistic things are required at all. Ayurarogyamardhancha putra pautraadikam sadha. So we will grant ayuhu, long life, arogyam, health, ardham, whatever is required, aishwaryam, whatever wealth is required. Putra pautraadikam tada, the continuation of the progeny, the sons, grandsons, etc. వాంఛద్భిః సతతం స్థవ్యాః స్తోత్రాణానేన వయ్యతః శ్రాద్ధేషు య ఇమం భక్త్యా తస్మత్ ప్రీతికరం స్తవం పఠిష్యతి ద్విజాత్మానాం భుంజతాం పురతస్థితః స్తోత్రస్తవ సంప్రీత్యా సన్నిధానే పరేకృతే అస్మాభిరక్షయం శ్రాద్ధం తద్భవిష్యత్యసంశయం యస్మిన్ గేహే లిఖితమేతత్ తిష్టతి నిత్యదా సన్నిధానం కృతౌ శ్రాద్ధౌ తత్మాకం భవిష్యతి. So whoever studies it, or even whoever keeps a written copy of this stotra in the house, for them also will be pleased. So this vidya is so important. A written copy, somebody will read at some point in time if it is kept in the house. So the vidya will progress. So Pitrus will be happy that the Pitru vidya, Pitrus knowledge will be passed to some generations. Somebody will take it. సన్నిధానం కృతౌ శ్రాద్ధౌ తస్మాత్రం భవిష్యతి తస్మాత్ విప్రాణ శ్రవణీయం మహాభాగా అస్మాకం పుష్టికారకం. ఈవెన్ వైల్ డూయింగ్ ద శ్రాద్ధ, వెన్ యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫుడ్ టు ద విప్రాస్ ఇన్ ద శ్రాద్ధ, బిఫోర్ గివింగ్ ద ఫుడ్ దిస్ స్తోత్ర నీడ్ టు బి శ్రవణీయం, you need to make them hear this stotra. So the context will be set. So Pitru Devatas will be invoked with this stotra, will be happy with this stotra. So this has been declared by Pitru Devatas only, as said by Markandeya Maharshi in Garuda Purana, in this Ruchi Pradapati's stotra. So this is the Falashruti. So there are three components of this stotra. There is one basic knowledge, there is one applied knowledge of the Pitru Devatas, and the Falashruti, what will happen by performing this Pitru Karyas on every month end, means on the new moon day. So being Adhika Masa, Asveja Adhika Masa, tomorrow onwards, normally this should have been the Mahalaya Amavasya, then tomorrow onwards we will have the Navaratris, Devi Navaratris, and again Devi Navaratris also a great time, irrespective of what the person, which religion they follow, which belief system they have. Divine Mother will be pleased, whoever remembers her in the Navaratris. The Saran Navaratris, Sharatrutu officially starts tomorrow. This Adhika Masa, so Sharatrutu has already started. So with that, for today's topic of Pitru Devata Stuti, we will conclude. స్వస్తి స్వస్తి ప్రజాభ్య పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేన మార్గేణ మహిం మహిషాః గోబ్రాహ్మణేభ్యః శుభమస్తు నిత్యం లోకాః సమస్తాః సుఖినో భవంతు. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః.